Hey people, for this round, I'm gonna teach you how to send voice messages on Discord. Now you would think that Discord would already have this, but they don't because Discord is by independence. What we actually have to do is go to Google, type in Vencord, and download the installer. You can open this installer from just clicking on the downloads dropdown, but you can always just go to the downloads folder in your PC and open the installer manually and just select the stable download. Take note, you can't install this on the web version of Discord, so we need the app. You also can't install this if Discord is open, so Discord has to be closed before you install. Now by default, it is switched off, so as you can see, we still don't have the option to send voice clips. We have to go to the setting and just look for Vencord, go to plugins, just enable that because by default it would be turned off. And here you go, you can just start recording, stop recording, and then you can send the file. And it should be there. There you go. If you have any questions, you can just leave them on the comments down below. If this video helped you out, you can maybe like and subscribe. Thank you and see you again next time.